look like such a dickhead. Anyway, so I got a new GoPro. Hero 5, so it's not actually new. I can't afford nice shiny new things, but this is nice, new and shiny. This McLaren 600LT I'm in. Today I'm going to take some photos of it for McLaren Vancouver, actually. Obviously, rainy day. Perfect weather for it. So if you're wondering if there's going to be anything special like drifting or burnouts or donuts or anything stupid like that, not here, not this video. It's just about me going about my own day. Oh, come on, man. Watch out for pedestrians around here. This is my usual spot. Very nice and secluded, unless there are people here that are just chilling out as well. That's all mine right now. Car coming. Yeah, guys, this is the life of a part-time automotive photographer from McLaren. You're basically in the rain and stuck in traffic all day long. I guess there are worse things. I'm not complaining, by the way, I'm just saying.